Hey folks, Joseph Barletta here with Supercharger America. Just kind of riding around on one of our annual traveling trips, and wanted to notice, just kind of look at the Supercharger spot here, and we're talking about Supercharger etiquette. Now, I'm going to show you guys a couple litter spots right here and there, just a couple bits of trash. Now, I actually saw this bag here on site, and I'm just gonna go around and kind of pick up some of the trash on the actual site itself. So this is kind of a unique spot because Tesla actually didn't put into an agreement with this property management company on their Supercharger site actual trash bins, right? And so the problem is that when they don't do that, as an audience, as audience members here in the Tesla community, there's no trash there. So you kind of have to police the site yourself. And if we're policing the site ourselves, then it's kind of up to us to actually go ahead and do this, right? We're just picking up trash on site. Tell it, just kind of be courteous. I mean, this site right here, I think I've talked about this particular site. This site right here literally cost about $1 million, possibly even maybe 1.25 million, just to get erected. So sorry about the film footage and all that stuff. But you can see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do my part when it comes to charging etiquette, to pick up as much as I can with regards to the trash that's set on site. I mean, you don't really think about this stuff, but literally, if you're traveling or you're visiting a Supercharger spot, and it's nice, you don't see that much trash there. There's most likely trash cans that are going to be around that people are actually using to put their trash in. The problem is when you do approach a site that doesn't have any trash cans, you kind of have to really take initiative and be that guy. That's what makes you that guy. Be the guy that is out there and just picking up trash, literally, while you supercharge. It's nice. Now, keep in mind, this is a 250 kW supercharger, so probably not going to be here for too much longer. It's generally a good 10-15 minutes for me to get a full charge. But you can see, as an Eagle Scout and just raised by an amazing mother, she always taught me, always leave a site better than what you found it at. So you can see the number, just the trash from everyone who's kind of on the go while they're traveling and don't really have much time to travel and eat these days, yet let's pick up after the site. I don't know, call it what you want, but I'm just tired of seeing my sites, these Supercharger sites, just completely trashed. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take it upon myself to actually go out here and pick up trash for what I can. So, as a Tesla community, like we did with the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, as a Tesla community, I want to challenge you to pick up trash. I want to challenge you to post what's the most interesting piece of trash you've picked up at a Tesla supercharging site. And let's not let all of the bad things, fundamentals wise, when it comes to what we can do for our charging stations for these sites, they should be respected. And so as a result, we're not only there for charging, but look at this. Look at this trash. Look at this. So I'm going to continue to pick up this trash, put it in the back of my car, and then dump it at a reasonable spot. But other than that, like I said, Supercharger America, this is Joseph Barletta signing out with an amazing Supercharger spot over here in Beaumont, Texas. Just doing our part to clean up. So we'll see you soon. Cheers, guys.